In the last video we brought a semi-trailer to a paint shop in Kyoto. Now the trailer is fully painted and ready, and we've already delivered it to client's location. The issue is the trailer hasn't yet been registered, so today I'm heading to the client's place with this Hino trailer head I'm driving now. I'll pick up the trailer, take it to the land transport office to register it and get new number plates, and then bring it back to the client. So sit back and enjoy the ride. You can see the trailer waiting over there in the warehouse, so let's pull it out and go. The route isn't very long, maybe about an hour each way, but it goes through regular city roads and not highways. And in Japan, in these urban areas, if you don't plan properly, you can easily end up in some narrow street without any way to go back. So I prepared the route in advance, printed it out, and now I'm simply following it as closely as I can. The place we're heading to is the Land Transport Office. Each prefecture has at least one of these, and larger prefectures usually have several. It is the place where the vehicle registrations, ownership transfers, and yearly inspections are handled. Every commercial vehicle in Japan has to go through a regular inspection to make sure it meets safety and road use standards. Things like brakes, lights, dimensions, weight limits are all checked regularly. For this trailer we are actually not doing an inspection today, we are just completing the official registration. I have all the documents prepared, so yeah, it's a pretty thick stack, so we should be ready to move through the process smoothly. Here it's a quite tight turn and I was really praying no car will come from the left, but just when we have to go there is this red car that arrived and made my life harder.
In 600 meters, turn left.
We are getting close to the destination. When we arrive, the first step is to present the documents at the registration counter. Once everything is confirmed, we receive the Shaken certificate, which is the official vehicle registration and inspection document. And after that we go to pick up the new number plates. Finally the seal has to be put on the number plate, and after it's done we're good to go back. There is this convenient parking spot on the right side here, so I decided to use it. Parking here will make it easier to leave later in case it gets crowded in the meantime. I make a U-turn inside the premises, pull into that spot and then go and start the procedure of registration. Since the trailer is currently unregistered, I had to use the Kaiso number plates. These are the plates, temporary transport plates that allow you to move an unregistered vehicle legally on the roads. Now I changed the plates to the ones that I received here at the office, and now the guy is putting the seal on the plates and we are good to go.
ありがとうございます。
I go back to the client's location with the same route that I came here with.
Your destination will be on the left.
After the trailer is inspected and received, I was asked to put the trailer back where I took it from, so I did it, and this is basically the end for today. So let's go back. It was a busy day with a few challenges along the way, so I decided to take a well-earned break. Not far from the Alliance location there was a convenience store with a parking space for trucks, so I pulled in, parked alongside the other drivers and grabbed a simple meal before getting back on the road. Got myself this tiny bacon lasagna, a shrimp burger, a bag of frozen pear and a few protein drinks. As always, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.